Now this illustration deals with single-phase AC squirrel cage motors, induction type motors. Now notice table 430.52 lists our types of motors that are outlined in the table, such as a squirrel cage induction motor that's single phase, a three-phase induction motor, a wound rotor type motor, synchronous motors, and DC motors. Now we select the type of motor we're dealing with and place it in that table, and then we would select our percentages from our table 430, dot 52, based upon the overcurrent protection device that we select to allow the motor to start and run and accelerate the load. Now notice a single phase induction motor has two windings, has a run winding and has a starter winding, and has a centrifugal switch. And about 75 to 80% of the synchronous speed when the motor is started, that switch will drop the starter winding out and it will run on the running winding. Now there's all kinds of theory, things and information outlined in Stallcup's generator, transformer, motor, and compressor book. If you really wanted to review all the motor facts and theory dealing with different types of motors, I suggest you purchase our work in the generator, transformer, motor, and compressor book. Now, this figure 18-17 is illustrating a single-phase AC squirrel cage induction motor listed in table 430.52. And that's what our illustration 18-17 is illustrating to the user of the code when they're using table 430.52 to select the overcurrent protected device needed to start the motor and to allow it to accelerate the load and so forth, in accordance now with table 430.52 and the NEC. And that's what this figure 18-17 is illustrating.